Joy again. I'm so thankful that you're here watching this video. I'll try to keep it short. I put up a post before that I am releasing a book in June, and it is for divorced women. It's basically my 90-day coaching program blueprint in book form. For some people, that's only what they need. They can take the book, they can do everything that's in it, and they'll get results. The difference between that and a coaching program is that the coaching program is tailored to you. So whatever situations you're dealing with, whatever comes up after you do one of the exercises, or some life just comes up and you need to vent, or you need to work through mindset challenges or emotional challenges, whatever it may be. That's the difference between having a coach and going through a book. I have plenty of books myself, but when I plug in and I actually work with a coach, it's a whole different ball game. Interaction, live, real time, kind of, this is what I dealt with today and how do I get through it? Have you ever experienced this before? I'm having challenges, whatever. When you have a coach, it's like going to the gym and having a trainer. They help you with form. They help you with, they spot you so you don't, hurt yourself. They hold you accountable. They, guide you and say, okay, we've done this. Now we're going to move on to this because you've built up strength. It's the same thing. Athletes have coaches. Coaches have coaches. Billionaires have coaches. Okay. We all need them for certain things. And as much as I love the DIY kind of way of doing things, you give me a project, I'm going to figure out how to do it. I'm going to YouTube it, Pinterest, whatever. The thing is, some things in life you don't get the results you want when you do it yourself. Or you take so long to get it done, which that's the whole reason I created this program, is it took me so long to find my Mr. Right that it attacks your confidence and your self-esteem along the way, where you're like, I feel really good, things are going well, I'm seeing results, this is great, I have a challenge, now what the hell do I do? You're going to have to figure it out because you don't have anybody to help you. So that's what I do. I have 4 spots available in my coaching program for May. After that, I don't know. I can update you in June if you wanted to wait and get the book. That's completely up to you. I am offering free discovery calls right now so that we can talk through this. I can give you a better idea of what the program entails. You can get to know me. I can get to know you. We'll see if we're even a good fit. If what I have to offer is something that aligns with what you want and where you want to go or not. So that's pretty much all I wanted to say today, and just clarify, because like I said, I put up a post that my book is going to be ready in June. I'm so excited. Don't have an exact date yet, but I just wanted you to understand kind of from me directly, what's the difference, Joy, between your book and your program? There you go. So hopefully that was helpful to you. Any questions, comments, just go ahead and drop them below. Send me a private message, email me, whatever you need, just let me know. I am here for you.